All right, what is up, everybody? Check this out. So we've got this property right here that we do. It is close to some homeless areas. We're here fertilizing. Obviously these willow trees suck. Like, oh, look at all these branches on the ground. Anyways, I'm over here fertilizing, and you know, this is the type of shit that we deal with right here, are these needles from people, right? That's the type of stuff that we're dealing with at these properties. Now, I don't mind homeless people, but when they're doing shit like this, making a mess, look at that. Look at that mess right there. Mess right here. Oh, let's go. I'll show you this. I'll show you this homeless guy real quick. Anyways, I get that they need a place to go, but these commercial places here, they trash them. See, there's a guy way down there. Look at that. This guy, I've seen him here before. He especially makes a mess. The one day there was a broken window right here. But anyways, so this is a commercial property. Some things we're looking at here are the main things that need to be done here. We just fertilized, we need to mow, but the biggest thing is these branches. So we'll probably pull 2 dump trailers worth of branches out of this place. But brought the snow blowers with us today, but we brought all of our fertilizer. IFA, local store, sold us some 2235 Cavalcade. Got some pre-emergent. Matt's back.
What's up?
We're gonna be seeing a lot of him on the Bad Grass Dude channel.
I'll be there.
He's our resident expert trimmer.
Expert, right.
But look at this. Look at this junk that basically they pay us to haul this crap out of here. So it's disgusting, but we just, while we're here, you know, with our dump trailer with this stuff, we basically gather up all this, haul this stuff away. But anyways, we might check in with you here at another property. We might not. Yeah, okay, I will, because I'm going to show you some other work at another property that we usually will try to yeah, get some work. So stay tuned. I'll put these 2 videos together. We are back. Matt's fertilizing this property. We got some pet spots here, but this is just something that we look at while we're visiting these properties. Is obviously this stuff here needs to be hauled off. We will haul that off next time. We will come in, spray this with Roundup, and then next time, once it dies, we'll just kind of till it into the dirt. We'll rake some of it up, but here we'll come through where this is a doorway here. We'll come through and we will prune these back, even though that's gonna have some good growth. We'll prune that back because that's gonna be right in front of somebody's door. And then we will weed this, cut this down. We already cut this down last spring, but we will cut this one down again this year. We're gonna bring a little drill and try to get it out of there, and then obviously clean up some of that stuff.
Massive amounts of dog shit back there.
Is there?
Oh, yeah.
All right, so check this out. These bags of fertilizer, right? The Cavalcade. Last year, we purchased those for right about $19. This year, the price has skyrocketed. So, just so that all y'all know, obviously everything is going up. But now, these things were $37 a bag, up 17 bucks on a bag of fertilizer / pre-emergent. This is wonderful. I'm going to make some of these myself. I have a sticker machine. I'm going to start putting it in people's properties, but I'm not really.
Oh, there's some.
Oh, there's some dog shit. Yep, dog shit. Ooh, a lot.
There's some more.
All right, guys, check this out. Me and Matt here, we're walking around this new property, right? We're doing the snow removal on this property. And we're walking it around to take an estimate and get a bid for the lawn care services. But as you can see, we've got a lot of flower bed stuff, right? Look at this. This is all dog shit.
Dude,
Like,
look at that. It smells horrible.
Literally.
Look at that.
This is disgusting. I cannot believe people in these HOAs.
Holy cow.
P.S.
It just keeps going.
If you watch my channel and you live in an HOA and this is you, feel free to subscribe to my channel so you know what not to do. And be a responsible pet owner and clean up your dog shit. It's disgusting. So obviously there's like nothing, here to take care of. But all that section back there, dog shit.
Oh, that's